Are you ready to travel with your family? Today we are sharing 10 family travel vacations in the United States. Our first top family vacation in the United States is Alaska. This destination is usually a bucket list item for many families. Is this year the year you cross this one off your bucket list? One of our favorite things to do in Alaska is see the northern lights. You can actually take a train ride from the city up to a small little town to see the northern lights. If you love beauty and nature, Alaska is an amazing family destination for the whole family. Do you have any Star Wars fans in your family? Our next vacation is epic. In March 2022, Disney World is opening a brand new hotel and experience called the Galactic Starcruiser. You will be fully immersed into the Star Wars story for 2 days. You will board the Galactic Starcruiser, which is a hotel, and come face to face with your favorite Star Wars characters. This is definitely on the Jones family bucket list for the year. After your Star Wars adventure, stay at Disney World for a few days. This year, Disney World is celebrating their 50th anniversary with a huge celebration. Click on the Eye in the Sky to learn all about the Disney World 50th anniversary. National parks in 2021 were very popular with families. This year, we expect the national parks, especially on the west coast of the United States, to be just as popular. This is another family adventure that you can just hop in the car and go. You can stay at a hotel or even camp on the adventure. Click the Eye in the Sky to learn all about our favorite national parks. Our next top family vacation in the United States is Clearwater Beach in St. Petersburg Beach. These beaches are located in Florida on the Gulf of Mexico. These beaches are ranked the number 1 and number 2 family beaches by TripAdvisor. The sands on the beach are so white and super soft. There are very few waves on the Gulf of Mexico side of Florida, so perfect for younger kids. The waters are crystal clear and you'll often see porpoise swim by you. We love the beaches in Clearwater and St. Pete, just a few hours from Disney World and Orlando. Our next top family vacation in the United States is Universal Orlando Resort. The Universal Orlando Resort has 2 hotels that we love called Royal Pacific and Portofino Bay. Royal Pacific is a Polynesian theme, so you feel like you're right in the middle of the tropical islands. The other hotel called Portofino is themed after an Italian seaside village. I have been to Italy and this hotel feels like you are in an Italian village. If you miss international travel but want a taste of it without leaving the United States, plan a stay at one of these hotels. We also love the Universal Orlando theme parks and water park. If you stay at one of these hotels, you get Universal Express. The Universal Express allows you front-of-the-line access on rides and attractions at both Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. This free perk is worth staying at one of these hotels. If you're looking for a tropical destination but do not want to leave the States, you may want to consider the Florida Keys. This destination reminds me of the Bahamas and the Caribbean. We love the Florida Keys. The Keys are about an hour from Miami, starting with Key Largo. There are several islands from Key Largo to Key West. Our 2 favorite islands in the Florida Keys are Isla Mirada and Key West. You can rent a boat at Robbie's, meet some sea turtles at the Turtle Hospital, or chill at one of the beaches. If you like sun and fun, the Florida Keys is the perfect family vacation. If you're looking for a more intimate family vacation, we highly recommend dude ranches. We got to experience a dude ranch called Vista Verde in Colorado over the winter months. During our vacation, there were only 15 other families. We got to snowshoe, ride horses in the snow, tube down the mountain, and even take a horse-drawn sleigh ride. It is an incredible family vacation. You pay one price and your whole experience is included. If you're looking for snow but not a big skier, we recommend a dude ranch like Vista Verde. Our next top family vacation in the United States is the Biltmore Estate. We love hopping in the car and heading to Asheville, North Carolina. The city is on the edge of the Great Smoky Mountains. An amazing hotel, which is really a castle in Asheville, is called the Biltmore Estate. If you love Europe, you may want to book a stay at the Biltmore estate. There are several hotels on this 8,000-acre estate. You can bike around the Biltmore estate or just soak up the beauty from your hotel. It is the perfect weekend or spring break destination. Just 30 minutes from Jacksonville in North Florida is the oldest city in the United States called St. Augustine. The city has beaches, history, and amazing food. You can explore the fort along the intercoastal waterways. You can walk along the boardwalk with spectacular views of the boats in the Bridge of Lions. You can eat and shop along St. George Street. There's so much history in St. Augustine. We love hopping on the Red Train tour around St. Augustine. You can learn about the city and see all the hot spots. St. Augustine Beaches and Volano Beach are located nearby if you want to hit the sand and surf. The city is on the Atlantic Ocean, so bring a boogie board or purchase one at a nearby shop. Your kids will have so much fun riding the waves. St. Augustine is a hidden gem in the United States with great food, history, outdoor activities, and beaches. The best news, no passport is required. This small town has lots to do for the whole family. Are you ready to travel? Leave a comment below with your favorite family vacation. Thanks so much for joining today. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you all.